In today's video, I will show you how to disconnect Instagram with TikTok. First of all, to disconnect your Instagram with TikTok or to remove Instagram link from TikTok, all you have to do now, after you open up your TikTok like this, as you can see now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open up your profile, as you can see now, here is now my Instagram link. As you can see now, here is it now. Here is my Instagram link. So if I want to just disconnect it, or if I want to remove the Instagram link, tap on this edit profile section. After you tap on this edit profile, now scroll to down. As you can see now, here is where it says social. As you can see, here is social. So here is my Instagram, and here is the Instagram username. So tap on this. As you can see now, tap on the username. As you can see now, here it says all link Instagram. So tap on this confirm. Now if I tap on this confirm, now it will all link my Instagram and my TikTok account. So tap on the all link. So as you can see now, I remove now the Instagram link. If I tap on this back arrow, so as you can see now, if I refresh now, as you can see now the Instagram link has disappeared. It only leave the YouTube link. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.